guys, and welcome to yet another YouTube video. My name remains Pills Exchange, the number one plug for your cryptocurrency deals in Africa. So today's video is on how to buy and sell using the Binance platform. I'll explain the trade section of Binance as best as I can. That's how to identify the best prices to buy at and the best prices to sell at. So let's get to it real quick. Buying and selling on Binance is done on the trades window of Binance mobile app. After opening trades, you'd see the order wall, the list of coin markets, and charts with various indicators that you could use. I could explain charts and how to apply indicators in another video. Or better still, if you want me to do a video on Binance indicators and charts, leave a comment on the video below. So moving on, if you want to trade on Binance platform, first thing you need to do is make sure you have USDT, because most of the markets on Binance platform are paired against USDT. So make sure you have USDT. So if I want to buy Matic, for example, I want to buy Matic, all I have to do is click on the currency pair up here to show me the list of coins that are available for me to purchase. Or if I'm on a window like this, I click on the currency pair up here to my left to show me the list of coins. Then all I have to do is type in Matic, the coin I want to buy, Matic. It shows me Matic USDT. Then I'll tap on Matic USDT. So it brings me to the order block. So my network is somehow terrible. Yeah, my network is terrible. Let me try to fix it. Okay, so this right here is the order block. For those I am wondering, a currency pair is market placed side by side. So Matic USDT is a currency pair because you have two currencies placed side by side. Today, Matic market is in red, as we can see. We can see that the market is retracing. We can see a couple of red candles have formed because no market can truly pump forever. So they are always pump, retrace, pump, retrace, pump, retrace. So as you can see back here, when Matic dipped a little bit before it started pumping, so I can see it's dipping again to pump again. Yeah, so it might be safe to buy Matic now, or it is safe to buy Matic now because I have seen Matic at 2.7, so I know that Matic here is a potential. It's definitely going to hit $3, as you can see. So this right here, the green side here, is people who are trying to buy, and as you can see, the numbers are changing, or the prices are changing. The numbers are the prices at which people want to buy at. So the green is for those who are trying to buy. So now after you've known that the green is for those who want to buy, you look at the red side. The red is definitely for those who want to sell. So now we have the green for those who want to buy and the red for those who want to sell. So now we have the buy wall and the sell wall. The buy and the sell wall. Buy orders, sell orders, as they are popularly known. So now you might be wondering, how do I know the current price of Matic? The current price of Matic is right here in the center. That's where you can see the price of Matic. If I try to buy Matic at 1.2, it's going to show at the order block. That's the buy orders right here. So because I typed in 1.2, my order is not going to show immediately because the buy order only shows orders that are close to current market price. So I'm going to try to put in a price that is going to show, because definitely this my 1.2 that I typed in is not going to show. Now what I'm trying to do is I want to show you how to observe your order on the buy order block or the sell order block. Now your orders are indicated, or they are shown by a very small arrow. Now if you see all these prices moving and you see one small yellow arrow beside a particular price, just know that that price contains your own order. So I'm trying to get a price in which the order does not fill instantly. Let's see. Let's yeah, you can see there that yellow is my price. Oh, it did not fill. It did not fill. Let me see. It has come back again, and yes, it has filled. So my order has filled. Let me check my wallet to see if okay. You can see. Let me refresh. That is it. Matic has shown in my wallet. So I have successfully bought 17 point something unique units of Matic. So to sell, you click on sell up here. So now I'm selling. I'm going to try to sell at a more profitable price since I bought at I think 1.70. I think 1.30730. Yeah. So let me just sell at, see if I'll gain a little bit of extra. Now my order has been placed. I'm observing the sell block up there and also checking the current price of Matic as well. So now depending on the price you want to sell at, you might decide to sell at $2 and just set your sell to $2 straight up and just leave it there. So whenever it gets to that price, it's going to fill up. So that's how to buy and sell profitably on Binance. So thank you very much for watching my video. I'll see you in the next video. My name remains Pius. Thank you. And please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and leave a like for support. Thank you.